When we fast, we take authority over the flesh. And we tell the flesh, you have no power over me. About these little whack American fasts, where you say, I'm gonna stop watching TV for a week. That ain't fasting. Look at me. If it don't hurt your flesh, it's not a fast. People have fasted and been delivered from things that had them bound for years. When we fast, we draw closer to God. When you fast, your body grows weak, but your spirit grows strong. Take the first week of the year, these next 7 days, hear me, to tell your flesh you have no authority over me. To tell that thing that you're wrapped in that brings you pain and hardship, say, you have no authority over me. I will consecrate. I will fast. I will pray. I will seek the face, not the hand, the face of my Savior.